All right, so we're going to be working on 7-3, which is comparing ratios. So in this one, we have Dustin and Adrian, and they're playing baseball. So he gets 3 hits he only went to bat 8 times. This person got 4 hits, and he was at bat 10 times. So who is better? I know it looks like Adrian because he hit 4, but we got to prove it. So what we're going to be doing is completing the ratio until the second number matches. Once we know that they've done the exact same amount of bats, then we'll know which one's better. Or if their hits match, that'll also agree. So if they both have like 10 and 10, and this one went to bat 14 times and this one went to bat 12 times, then this one is better because they get more hits per bats. Okay, so we're just going to keep on going until they match. So let's go. Remember, the ratios are going to increase by the same numbers that they're starting with. So 3/8 is going to become 6/16. All right? Then this one's going to become 8/20. Now, none of them match yet, so we're going to keep on going. Then we're going to go with 9/24. This one's going to be 12/30. Still no matches, right? Now we're going to do another one. 12/32. And wait, we already have a match right here, the 12. Okay, so now we have 12. So Dustin hits it 12 times if he goes to bat 32 times. Adrian hits it 12 times when he only has to bat 30 times. So Adrian is the better one, and it is proven here. Okay, so Adrian's the better hitter in this scenario. All right, now here, let's read what's going on. There's a lot of information in this question, but it's actually very, very easy. We need 15 mollies, so they need to have 15 mollies. So which tank will have more fish if the tank must have 15 mollies? So they gave you the entire ratio, and we find out where 15 mollies is. So 15 mollies is this row of fish. Okay, and we look here. Where's the 15 mollies? Right there, and we look at this ratio of fish. So if you use the angelfish, you'll end up with 25 fish total. If you use the guppies, you'll end up with 27 fish totals. So which tank has more? The one with the guppies. Okay, and that's you being able to read and understand how the chart is working. Now let's do a little bit of practice. This section is pretty easy for the lesson-wise. So let's do 4 and 5. You're completing the chart. Okay, make sure you follow the flow of information, and then we'll go over it. So we'll pause for 5 minutes for you to complete both of these charts that are on the page. And go. Okay, you should have paused it. Now we're back. So let's complete the chart. So this is going to be going up by 3s. So 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. This is going to be going up by 4s. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and the totals will be going up by 7. So 7, 14. If you're not good at your 7s, you could just add. So 21, 28, 35. All right, so now we're going to do 5. So this is going up by 4s. So 4, 8, 12, 16. This is going up by 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. And then this is going up by 9s. 9, 18, 27, 36. Okay. So in the question, they also ask which one of these is better. Which one has more pineapple juice? So we find out where they are matching. So they're matching at the 20. So number 5 has more pineapple juice. Okay. Now we're going to work on 7 and 8. 7 and 8. I'm going to give you 5 minutes to complete them. You're completing the chart that they have there, and then they want the ratio from music to news. Okay? Give you 5 minutes. Start now. Pause the video. All right, so here we go. Now we're completing this. So that's 20 to 2. So 2 makes 20. 3 blank, 40 blank, blank, 5, 60 blank. So 2 to 20. How does this get to here? What's the ratio here? It's times 10. So this is going to be 30. What times 10 makes 40? 4, 5, and 50, and 60, and 6. So that's the ratio that you should have come up with. Now, they want to know, in this one, the ratio from music to news. Now, they're saying it in this order, so you must stick to that order. So music was the lower numbers. So that would be 2 to 20, or 2 over 20, right? Now, this can be simplified. If you notice, they're both even numbers, which means they can get cut in half. So we're going to cut both numbers in half, see if we can shrink it even less. Can we shrink this even less? No. And that ratio 1 to 10 really follows here how the pattern goes, 1 to 10. The 2 to 20 would only let me jump here to here, but not in the other ones. All right, and that's it. Good luck.